Today, everybody is frightened in the dreamland jungle. Whoever you see had turned pale due to extreme fright. Since last few days, the animals of this jungle and birds were disappearing from this place. This morning, Chunmun bird lost her son. The poor thing was going on shedding tears sitting near her nest. My baby, my poor little baby. This morning I left my baby healthy and happy in her nest. But when I returned in the evening, he was not there. Where could my child be? He has not even grown his wings. Many animals of the jungle were trying to comfort Chunmun. But if a mother loses her child, only the mother knows the pain. Cause a mother is a mother after all. Pintu monkey, who was the closest friend of Chunmun bird, was trying to comfort Chunmun bird and tell her,
Chunmun, why are you crying so much? We will find your child. Don't be worried about it. We all are here.
Pintu, I'm a mother. I shouldn't be saying this. But since the last few days, all the animals who have been lost, they have not been found. People had looked for them all over, but nobody could find them. Saying this, Chunmun started crying again. Whether it was Lucky Elephant or Tinku Crane, Dhechu Donkey or Chetak the horse, all of them had tears in their eyes. It was only last week that they had all celebrated Chunmun's baby's happy birthday. All of them were so happy. But today, as if everything was over.
Who had possessed a bad omen to our jungle? We were so happy.
What I will tell Donkey Brother? I am so worried about it. About this jungle. About our friends. If all will be missing like this, then the jungle will turn into a quiet place.
Tinku the crane was so overwhelmed. The next day morning started with the sound of a cry in front of Lucky Elephant's house. His son, Dabbu, was also lost.
Dabbu, my child Dabbu. Where is my son? Where is my son? What's happening here? What's happening here? How we will get rid of this? I don't know.
All the animals of the jungle had a meeting. The king of the jungle, Sher Singh, was very sad due to the incidents in the jungle. He also wanted Dreamland Forest to get rid of these incidents. But he was not able to think of anything. What could he do after all? After all, he came to a decision.
My dear friends, we are facing a very difficult time. Our enemy, whosoever, is taking away the animals from this jungle. From where? What is the reason behind it? We don't know. Now we don't have any details about him. Now how we will face that thing?
Then what we will do, Sher Singh? Like this our jungle will turn into a quiet place. We have created this dreamland jungle so carefully. We can't see these things.
Saying this, Lucky Elephant again started crying.
Be patient. Be patient.
That day, Sher Singh, the king of the jungle, made a rule for the residents of the jungle so that they could save themselves from these incidents.
My dear friends of Dreamland Jungle, I am requesting all of you guys, till the time we are getting solution for this problem, please stay inside your home. I know because of food you all have to be out. If so, go in a group, accompany someone. Don't dare to go alone and leave no one at home.
Most of the animals were not very happy with this decision of the Sher Singh, but they had no alternative. All of them had to listen to Sher Singh. From that day onwards, Dreamland Jungle used to be isolated in spite of the animals living there. Nobody came outside to play or to roam about. Animals used to come out only when they required to, but then in a group. After some days, at night, Montu the deer was sleeping in his house. Then somebody knocked at the door. Montu! Montu! Oh, my son Montu! Open the door, my son! At first, Montu the deer thought that he was hearing all this in his dream. But suddenly he woke up and he heard his mother's voice.
Hey, this is mom's voice. But when she went outside,
Montu was confused as to when his mother left the home. He was feeling afraid. But still, he got up and moved towards the door and asked from behind the door,
Mom, when you went outside,
Oh, my son, for so many days we were stuck inside our house. There was nothing to eat. So I came out. Son, please open the door fast. Otherwise, I may also disappear. As soon as Montu heard this from his mother, he immediately opened the door. Outside, it was his mother. Lock up the door fast, son. Montu locked up the door. The next day morning also started with a sound of cry. The sound was that of Montu's mother. My son Montu! My son Montu has disappeared. As Sher Singh had advised, I had followed the advice. Then how did my son disappear? After 2 days of this incident, once again, Honey the rhino disappeared. Once again, Sher Singh called all the animals of the jungle. The solution that Sher Singh had given, animals started disappearing even after that. This was something to think about. What could Sher Singh tell the animals of the jungle now? Even he could not think about it. And then came running the black swan. And whatever he said, all of them had goosebumps hearing that.
Lion King, I got to know where our animals are disappearing. And who is the head behind this?
The black swan was a magician. But he never misused the power of his magic. Rather, he used to help the animals of the jungle with his magic. But it was 2 days ago, Black Swan was looking for his book of magic, but he could not get it.
Where is my magical book? I kept it here.
The Black Swan tried everything to look for his book of magic, but he could not get it, and he was really very upset about it. After that, to look for his book of magic, he asked the magical glass in his home.
Magical sphere, tell me, where is my magical book?
After some time, smoke came out of the magical glass, and everything was visible in the glass clearly. The magical glass showed how Mogambo the python had entered his house and stole the book of magic.
Lion King, Mogambo Python took a bad advantage of magical book. He have used that magical words where you can create different animals figure. Even you can make sounds like that.
I will kill that Mogambo python. I will not let him go. But Black Swan, why he is doing so? Did she kill any other animals?
No, he didn't kill anyone. But tomorrow she is planning to do so. Because tomorrow is a new moon night. He wants the energy of all the animals. Because of these powers, he will become the king of all the jungles.
I will take revenge from that king. Tomorrow is the new moon. Let's travel today itself.
Sher Singh, along with all the animals of the jungle, reached the mouth of his cave.
Lion King, we have to take that magical book from him, or else he will be a problem for us. Because without that book, he doesn't have any power.
Oh, that's great. But who will fetch that book? If anybody will go inside, then he can see him.
Hearing what he had to say, the black swan closed his eyes and chanted a mantra.
2 + 1 is coming as 3. To get me a magical bean.
All of a sudden, a magical flute appeared. The black swan held it in his hands and said,
Lion King, this is not a ordinary bean. Magical bean. If you blow this, then any snakes will start dancing. But this bean has to be blown by the strongest animal. Lion King, you are strong. Also a king. You have to blow that bean.
Sher Singh took that magical flute from Black Swan and started playing it. After some time, Mogambo the python came out dancing. All the animals hid seeing him. When the python came out totally, the Black Swan went into his cave. And not only did he bring out his own magical book, but also freed all the animals who were stuck there. After some time, Sher Singh stopped playing the flute and caught hold of Mogambo python's neck.
Leave me, leave me. Lion King, please leave me. You don't know me. With my magical powers, I will make you small ant.
All the animals of the jungle started laughing, hearing what he had to say. Mogambo the python saw this, that all the animals who he had imprisoned had all come out. And so he was very angry.
Who? Who bring them up? Wait, I will punish you all.
With the magical powers, you were doing all this, right? Now I have that control.
My notebook. Give my notebook back. Give it to him, or else I'm not going to leave you.
I will not spare you. I will make papad of yours.
And then Sher Singh started beating him black and blue.
Hey, hey, please leave me. Please leave me alone. Are you want to kill me? I made a mistake. Please leave me alone.
Sher Singh beat him so badly that he was totally shattered. He started falling at everybody's feet and begged for mercy for his life. The animals felt sorry for him. They left him, but then told him in clear words,
If you came across Dreamland's jungle as well, then I will make you disappear. Hey, what is Dreamland? I will never come to this jungle. I will move to Himalaya.
Having said this, he went away. And the animals of the jungle lived happily ever after.